Good afternoon. Here is the agenda for Thursday, the 22nd day of October. There's a question for our bell ringer in the classroom that you can answer, somewhat related to yesterday's question about, you had to fill in the blank yesterday about what you believe every student had the right to do. Today's question is about what happens if our rights are taken away. Today we began case study number 1, Human Rights Crisis in Chile, where it's going to take a look at a specific example of a time when a government took control over its people and its country and started to take away some of their rights. So, in your classroom, underneath the section called Human Rights, I included the pages that we read, 11, 12, page 13 was a picture, so I didn't include it on there, 14 and 15. And then we began the assignment. We got through, and I don't know why I switched this around. Get rid of that. We did this part first. So human rights in Chile, I'd go up here, and we talked about, after we got done reading, the kinds of human right violations that we read, and then the causes of those. And I know that Google Docs is not very easy to edit on, but if you double click in the box, you should be able to get to a point where you can edit and write, save and close, and it'll all be on there. So I know that's not ideal. I'll try to do a better job of getting something better to work in. But we did this front side, and then tomorrow we'll talk through these ideas of the vocab words and then just this a few of these questions to work through. So that was today in class. We also, for most of the class periods, we went through their test that they just took. I don't have your class period done quite yet. I hope to have it finished by tonight so I can get those back to you. Your test scores will be in Infinite Campus and by the weekend, hopefully. And then any issues we got to sort out, we can. So as always, hope you're doing well. And if you have any questions, please let me know how I can help you.